Hello and thank you for joining us. Flags are flying at half-staff today in honor of a Corpus Christi police officer who was killed in the line of duty.
Officer Alan McCullum was killed during a traffic stop Friday night along SPID. Mayor Joe McComb made the request to lower the flags, which was then approved by Governor Greg Abbott. In addition, the mayor says the city will also light the Harbor Bridge blue until the end of the week. And over at the police department, a memorial continues to grow with flowers being placed on a patrol unit in honor of Officer McCullum's service.
And 26-year-old Brandon Portillo was driving the vehicle that hit the two officers. Today, we learned more about Brandon Portillo's criminal history. Our Catherine McGinty joins us now live. And Catherine, I understand that this is not the first time that Portillo has been accused of drunk driving.
That's correct, Paula. We obtained court records this morning that show Brandon Portillo was arrested for driving while intoxicated back in 2015. He also has previous charges of driving with an invalid license. As a matter of fact, he has a lengthy criminal history. In October of 2012, he was placed on probation for 3 years for the burglary of habitation. In 2014, they extended his probation. In 2015, he was arrested for DWI. Now, in September of 2015, a judge revoked Portillo's probation and sentenced him to 2 years in prison. We also learned that in 2016, the DWI case was brought to the district attorney's office while Portillo was in prison. And then in 2017, Judge Guy Williams reviewed the case but dismissed the DWI charge because Portillo was in prison. Portillo's current case involving the officers was assigned to the 94th District Court. There's no word yet on when he will appear before Judge Bobby Galvan. Now, Portillo is charged with intoxication manslaughter and intoxication assault. Intoxication assault is not normally a first-degree felony, but because a peace officer was involved, both of these charges are first-degree felonies. And because these are alcohol-related, he could get two sentences of life in prison. Guys, back to you.
All right, Catherine McGinty reporting in the newsroom. And by the way, a memorial run will be held to honor fallen CCPD officer Alan McCullum. Now, the 1 mile run will happen around 6:45 tonight at the Arts Center of Corpus Christi. Officer McCullum's family will be in attendance. Cadets are expected to present a donation to the family following the run. I'll be in attendance of that run. Be sure to tune in to Chris 6 News at 6 and 10 for the latest.